Hypothesis: the vital capacity of the lungs increases with age. First problem: does the vital capacity of the lungs increase with age? Experiment: researchers say that the lungs grow to reach in maximum size between the ages of 20 to 25. To verify that the vital capacity of the lungs increases with age, we performed an experiment, the steps of which are listed below. We chose 5 females of age 12 and another 5 non-smoker females between the age of 30 to 35. We handed a balloon to each one of them and asked them to exhale it in at once. We measured the diameter of each balloon, divided it into half to find the radius. We used the formula of the volume of a sphere, which is 4/3 times radius to the third power times pi, to find the volume of the exhaled air, which represents the vital capacity of the lungs. We
Results
found
of
the average of
experiment
each
1,
group.
we did two tables. One to show the results of the 12-year-old females and one to show the results of the 30 to 35-year-old females. For each, we calculated the diameter of the balloon, then the radius of the balloon that they blew, then we implemented the volume of a sphere to get the vital lung capacity. Then we subtracted the theoretical lung capacity, which is 4,200, minus the vital lung capacity, which is the value that we got, to get the residual lung capacity. The residual lung capacity is the amount of air left in your lungs. As you can see, for the 12-year-old females, the residual lung capacity values were 1,852.042 as the average of each. While for the 30 to 35-year-old females, the average of the residual lung capacity was 1,366, which is less than the residual lung capacity of the 12-year-old females.
Title: A pie chart showing the variation of the vital capacity of the lungs of girls in centimeter cubed as function of age in years. Average volume of the vital lung capacity of 25 to 30-year-old non-smoker women in centimeter cubed, and average volume of the vital lung capacity of 25-year-old smoker women in centimeter cubed. Interpretation: the average vital lung capacity of 12-year-old girls is 2,347.958 centimeter cubed. As the age of the females increases from 25 to 30-year-olds, the average lung capacity increases as well to reach 2,738.89 centimeter cubed. This means that the vital lung capacity increases within age.
Does smoking affect the vital capacity of the lungs? Hypothesis: smoking decreases the vital capacity of the lungs. Experiment: researchers say that smoking damages the tissues of the lungs and decreases its vital capacity. To verify that the vital capacity of the lungs decreases with smoking, we performed an experiment, the steps of which are listed below. We chose 5 smoker females between age 30 to 35 and another 5 non-smoker females between age 30 and 35. We handed a balloon to each one of them and asked them to exhale it at once. We measured the diameter of each balloon, divided into half to find the radius. We used the formula of the volume of a sphere, which is 4/3 times pi times radius to the third power, to find the volume of the exhaled air, which represents the vital capacity of the lungs. We found the average of each group.
For experiment 2, we did the same thing. We took the 30 to 35-year-old females that don't smoke, and we took 30 to 35-year-old females that smoke. We calculated the diameter of the balloon of each, we calculated the radius, we calculated the spherical formula, which is the vital lung capacity, and we calculated the residual lung capacity. For the residual lung capacity of the 30 to 35-year-old females, the average was 1,366.34, while for the average of the 30 to 35-year-old females that smoke, the average was 1,544.16. For the 30 to 35-year-old females, the average is less than the average of the 30 to 35-year-old females that smoke.
Title: Pie chart showing the variation of the vital lung capacity of the lungs. 25 to 30 years old smoker and non-smoker woman in centimeter cubed. Average volume of the vital lung capacity of 25 to 30-year-old non-smoker woman in centimeter cubed, and average volume of the vital lung capacity of 25-year-old smoker woman in centimeter cubed. Interpretation: the average vital lung capacity of non-smoker females 25 to 30 years old is 2,738.89 in centimeter cubed. The volume decreases to 2,655.84 centimeter cubed in 25 to 30 years old smoker females. This means that the vital lung capacity increases with age. This means that smoking decreases the vital capacity of the lungs.